World Famous Foods Hot Sauce 2022 version. Check us out. Alright folks, here we go. World Famous Foods 2022 Hot Sauce. We got our habaneros. Now these came from Poppy's Afro store, downtown Ansbach. Check out the description, you're gonna see the link. Okay, put all these in here. In our Thermomix, okay. Garlic. Some onions. Got our lemon juice. Right. The brown sugar. Salt. Tumeric. And some vinegar. Now we're going to just blend this down in our Tumeric. Okay. Now we're going to add some of our Scotch Bonnet peppers from our garden. Alright. Keep on blending. Okay, let's try this again. Some more peppers in there. Oh, I just want to say, Just Farah Kid, appreciate you promoting my channel. Got something coming. Folks, I think we might be okay now. Let me just try this. Yep. Okay. That's it, folks. All I gotta do is put in the bottles. World Famous Foods Hot Sauce 2022. Check it out.